So.
What's up? Jose?
What's up?
All of a sudden. What's up, so yeah, guys, we got the squad. Got my boy Jesus. Got Jose. Got my Civic.
Watch out.
Who wants Slick? No mommy. Yeah, guys, so we're at Marcel's house. He's doing some shit. Sit there. Like I told you in the last video, he just picked it up. How much you pick it up for? How much did you get it for?
Fucking $200 cheaper than the first one. 1,000.
And this one's cleaner?
Fucking way better.
Oh yeah, the paint's hella straight on this one.
And the interior.
Shit, let's scope out the interior.
You ever seen Cat Williams' Perm on the comedy show?
Yeah.
This shit's slicker than that.
Oh, okay.
Shit, where my keys, yo?
Oh.
Oh, shit.
It's hot? Oh yeah.
Got a little dookie standing behind me. That's my fault.
Dude, oh yeah, this is a perfect family car, bro. Interior hella clean. You could definitely raise a family in this interior.
The fuck? What? I took you guys all to Temecula the other week.
That's true.
Don't.
Hey, what's up, guys?
I got some behind.
Buddy.
Hey, bud.
Oh, you got them redone by the shop?
Yeah, they took all the bins out. Shit's amazing.
Hey, you need your help, dude.
Oh shit, I got you, bro. I'll take this one right here. Hey, Marcel. Are you excited, bro? I see you got tires right there.
Yeah, these ones.
Oh, you're throwing them on those? Or what? Oh, what size are these?
205, 85, 18.
Oh yeah, you'll be tucking easy.
That's how you do it.
Looks like I have camera kits.
Oh, it looks good though.
Woo! Woo!
Is that maxed out in the rear?
No, it's like 2 inches up. Someone try to
Damn.
steal it and be like, what? What's wrong with the back wheel?
You said, oh hell no.
Oh, it looks good.
I want to see in the daylight.
Okay, now we got the weekend.
Yeah, we got 3 that weekend.
Yeah. And my boy Joseph is here.
No.
My boy Jose. And I haven't showed you how Marcel's car looks yet, guys. Look at that fender. What'd you look at? It just... static. So clean.
I got it.
Got all the squad's cars out here, guys. Hey, wait, Joseph, where's your car at, Joseph?
Hey, Mr. White. Hey, yo, is this truck right
Hey, IS. Alright guys, so right now we're squad packed and we're stuck behind like 20 cars and there's like 40 more cars behind us. But anyways, we're going to Anaheim right now. And Anaheim. Why, Marcel? What's going on?
Picking up a Demoni front.
Oh.
Hey, let me get one.
Yeah, let me get a chip too.
I just gave you one earlier.
Yeah, so we have like an hour and a half ahead of us, maybe more depending on traffic. But
Depending on this dumbass.
yeah, so we might run into more stuff like this. But I'm hyped, guys. What's a steal, right? Like 550.
Yeah.
And they go for
Hella
what?
steal.
Like 900.
That's like 9 or 8 bills, like fucked up fenders and shit too. So.
Damn, that's crazy. So
Yeah, we'll flip it over though. So super pissed.
it just comes naturally to you, huh?
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
There's the fucking corner light, see that? Huh? The corner light also. Turn that marker?
And Marcel, you excited?
Huh?
You excited?
Okay.
Yeah, are you excited?
Am I excited?
Yeah.
I just can't hide it. I'm about to suck it.
Damn, got the clear side markers?
What's that? Is that an Accord? It's a 67. Is that an Accord with the Civic rear end?
For real.
Oh man, the money's way.
Hey, but for real though, hit on my boy Marcel for a front end.
For what?
For a front end?
Oh, yeah. $80 for tequila. I'm not kidding. That is why I hate driving Honda Civic.
No, you drive CB7 now. You don't drive Civic anymore.
Okay. Close enough.
Hey, if you get pulled over, you can say your license plate's still on the front bumper.
That is true.
I show you my keys in case you see them.
Wow.
Damn, Accord or what?
Hey dude, what happened to your Civic?
Civic?
Yeah, what happened to it?
Oh, bro, I sent it out to the junkyard and I got it crushed.
Uh-huh.
And they brought me back the trunk, so that's all I got left.
That's all that's left?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, you can like bend it back to get like half the car, but it's whatever, dude. I mean, I'm pretty happy with it.
You said it's an Accord?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see it actually, I see it.
And then the front end is the gym before that Accord.
Oh,
So it's,
wait, you have two different Accords on this?
Yeah, this is the newer gen, and this is the gym before. So you can see the resemblance.
Oh, okay.
The best of both Accords.
So it's like an Accord, like 1.5?
It's like an Accord Duo, you know? Like,
Oh.
pretty much.
Well, you gonna explain what kind of rear bumper it is?
Oh, it's a Accord rear bumper?
Okay.
Yeah. It's to finish off the Accord conversion. Nah, it's a demonic rear bumper.
And
it looks beautiful.
for real, so how much does the bumper run you?
180.
Okay.
Yeah. Big whopping 100.
Was it worth it though?
Yeah.
Wait, how was the drive earlier? I mean yesterday.
Oh my god, there's so much traffic.
Dude, I knocked out 3 times. That's
You
how.
knocked out the whole way there and the whole way back. We would've got home in like probably like an hour and a half, but there's so much traffic it took us like 3 hours.
I know, that was crazy. Legit took 3 hours, and that was,
We only went to LA.
yeah, that's California traffic for you. You see a difference?
No, I actually don't. No.
So what's the difference? What's the difference? $180 for that? Ready to keep going?
Fuck. So what you got left, bro?
Pretty much the quarter panel when I told you it was all messed up, I found out it was hit. And then the hood, I sand that down the bondo. After that should be good. I got all the dents out. And then, that. Yeah, pretty much that. And then wet sand it all over, get all the sand and shit off. And then should be ready for paint probably next weekend.
Ooh. Damn, bro. So what, like a 2-week process over once it's all
Pretty
done?
much. I mean, like last week, all I did was take all this stuff apart. And then this weekend, I started sanding it for sure. So yeah, probably like good. Two weekends worth. Oh my back. Oh my jam.
What's up, bro? Alright, guys, it's the next day, and Marcel's sanding the car. So, yeah, I guess it didn't come out how Marcel wanted. Well, alright, so part of it was also because we ran out of a specific reducer that was for the acrylic enamel, because acrylic enamel is really old paint.
And it's
So-
not supposed to be in California anymore.
Yeah, so it was really hard finding reducers. So I guess like a lacquer thinner was a substitute, but it kind of ruined the paint, so it didn't come out how it was supposed to. So that was one reason. So Marcel signed down the whole car again, and he bought
Actual paint.
actual.
Listen, man, guys, don't buy any paint off the internet.
No more
It's
eBay
trash,
stuff. No more eBay stuff.
Hey, it wasn't technically eBay.
2018, we glowing up.
I mean, honestly, it would have came out like good if I didn't run out of materials. That was a problem.
Yeah, because you said that side was good, and that
That
side.
was so good, and
I'm
then
saying no
I wasted
eBay
like
stuff.
half the paint trying to mix the ratio and stuff.
Let's say no eBay stuff.
Hey, buddy.
Is that the new? Is this the new paint?
Yeah. I spilled a little bit.
Buddy, I'm excited. I
Yeah.
saw the pictures in the group chat.
Oh,
But I don't even know if they're ready for this.
You don't think so?
I don't think so, dude. Fuck, if it's anything like the pictures, whoo! Oh, bro. Holy shit. That thing looks wet.
I didn't even clear it yet either.
That's crazy. It's all put back together, lights and all. Marcel's changing out the trim right now.
Yeah, I put in chrome trim in. And then hopefully I might have the wheels this week. I ran into some complications with the hardware size. Because those ones come with M6s and they don't have that hardware. So they have to bore it out. And since the wheels are like, I guess they're like all steel, I broke all the drill bits. So they have to buy a new one. And hopefully that works. That's the only thing I'm waiting on for right now. And then throw those on. Other than that, everything else is good.
So that's it, guys. If you're wondering why he's on these wheels still, I mean,
Yeah, I probably put
That's
the lip
it.
on today. I'm a wet sanding and stuff. I gotta buy a buffer too, so I'm not sure.
he's got done putting on his chrome trim. Looks really good with this paint. That combination, though.
bubble wrap? You shipped a box full of bubble wrap.
Yeah, you jealous?
Necessities.
You're.
Oh.
Can I see one real quick?
Now I see why you have to heat up your taillights.
No.
Where did you get these from, Marcel? Because I need the...
Brazil.
Do they make them or what?
Just like that.
I don't know, dude. I don't know how they. I think they 3D printed.
Clear them, just leave
Honestly,
I
Marcel,
need to hook
just
up
leave them
on
like
there,
that.
For my truck.
High key.
Nah.
Just buy a 3D printer. You can make anything.
I don't have a 3D printer.
Well, let's get one.
I have a Dell printer.
Nah, fuck
I don't think that's gonna work.
them races.
Yeah, so I was gonna end the video, but we pulled up to a gas station with some A1 lighting and Marcel took the tape off. Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys. It's over. Game is over, guys. It was a good run. That was a good try.
sorry, I'm
that was a
sorry.
good try, but it's over, guys. The game is over. It's
People get mad about takeovers taking over the cars. Marcel just...
just to give you guys a perspective of how much he's changed this car. Look, originally this car was like that, guys. Look. Look. Look.